Hi guys, so I wanted to discuss the new April update with Fusion 360 that allows you to use a mesh in the CAM environment and generate toolpaths off of that directly. So prior to this, you used to have to uh, bring it into Remake, make sure it was less than 10,000 faces, export it as quads, so you could bring it into Fusion, then you could convert it to a solid, which just really resulted in kind of a horrific workflow. So it's kind of nice with this new way of doing it. I'm going to show you how to do it really quick. So we're going to just take this Thingiverse thing and downloaded it here. It's right there, the frame. And let's create a new file. We're going to insert this mesh. And then we're going to right click, edit to scale it. And we want to scale it to, like, say 0.05 or so, because it's a fairly big file. So it gives us 9 by probably 8 or something like that. That's fine. We'll just finish, go straight into CAM. No doctoring or anything like that. The important part of the new way of doing this is this model feature. So you have to select the mesh, make sure your work coordinate system is correct, and if you have any additional stock, like if you have any additional on the top or anything like that, you're gonna have to worry about that. Create a 3D adaptive. We'll select our tool here, turn that off. I cut this in Bloodwood, so I used 70, stock to leave 0.02, which, if you're following my Twitter, there seemed to be a little bit of an issue with that, but and then change the maximum roughing step down to 0.08, just because my machine's not as rigid as like a Tormach or anything like that. And it'll go through, it'll calculate it. You can calculate like a finishing pass as well. So let's do ball. Just gonna use the stock values. Your outer limit is the area around your, where you're starting or where your work area is. So I just wanted to do the entire thing. So our 3D adaptive is calculating, our spiral is calculating, and you're going to end up with an adaptive. This is what I used for this one that I'm cutting right now. I used actually 0.09, and the spiral for the step over. I think somewhere around like a 10% step over or something like that. But yeah, that's literally all there is to it, using the new April update. So I hope this video is helpful to other people, and I really feel like after this update, Fusion is going to give MeshCam a little bit of a run for its money. So thank you. Bye.